Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple and updated steps to enable the Flag for Review feature in your Instagram invite settings. This feature helps you manage who can invite you to follow or join groups, giving you more control over your Instagram experience. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This will take you directly to your personal Instagram profile page. Next, at the top right corner of your profile, you'll see a menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on this to open a sidebar with more options. Scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Follow and Invite Friends. Tap on it to access your invitation settings. Here's the key step. Look for the Flag for Review toggle. This is the setting that allows you to review and manage invitations before they appear in your notifications. Simply toggle it on to activate this feature. Once enabled, Instagram will give you the power to flag and review any invites you receive, helping you avoid unwanted or spammy invitations. It's a great way to keep your Instagram interactions safe and tailored to your preferences. That's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily enable the Flag for Review feature in your Instagram invite settings and take control of your social connections. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more Instagram tips to enhance your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a safer, more personalized Instagram journey.